Hey guys, it's Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am here with the introduction for my next series. We are going to be talking about 5 key tips for your journal business. So you guys love when I talk about journals on my channel, and I want to make sure I give you more of that. So this series will start on, I believe it's July 26th on a Sunday is when you will see this video, and I will upload every single day, Monday through Friday, with another tip for your journal business. So what makes this video different? I am giving up the tea. I am telling you some of the sites I use, some of the extensions I use, how I design these winning covers, how I just go in depth, how to research saturated markets, all of that. So the 5 key things that we will be talking about is number 1 is niche research. Yes, I've talked about niche research lots of times, but I want to show you how to still be successful and win in a so-called saturated niche. This is where you have to learn how to pivot and find what people are not doing, okay? Next, we are going to talk about design, and Lord knows I've seen some cricket covers. I've seen some covers that I wouldn't buy. I've seen you guys publish things that are not breathtaking. I want to help you just reach deep down inside and get your designing skills on point so you can make sales consistently, okay? Another things I'm going to talk about is keywords. A lot of people get caught up in what kind of keywords should I use? Long tail, short tail? Should I put author's name in the keywords? Should I do this? This is going to be a good one, okay? I love to talk about keywords. I love to talk about the extensions that I use as well. Also, we're going to talk about categories. We're going to unlock some secret keys that a lot of you may not know, but I am going to tell you what you can do to get in more categories, okay? And then last but not least, where to upload at. Where am I seeing a lot of my sales nowadays? Is it slow? Is it going to pick up? This is the perfect video series for you to get prepared and knock this shit out of the park for fourth quarter, right? So I know you guys will be tuning in. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you are notified every time my video drops. I love to drop my videos at midnight because I know most of you guys are up and it's the perfect time to learn, watch, because it's quiet. The world is quiet and you're just up there learning and getting some more information. So I'm super excited about these 5 key tips for your journal business. Remember, you can holla at me on Instagram at Cinquanta Cox-Smith. You can also join my Facebook support network. I am not super active there, but you can join it and see what I've done there before. Make sure you answer the questions or you will not be added. Those questions are in place so that I understand that you are not a bot, that you are not someone who does not understand my language and will not benefit from the course. Also, if you guys have questions about the actual topic that we're talking about, leave those on the video. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you come over to my Instagram, make sure you just practice common courtesy, greet yourself. I can only answer a few questions on Instagram. It is not the place to go in depth in things. Also, remember, these platforms are not mine. Shopify belongs to Shopify. CinquantaCoxSmith.com belongs to CinquantaCoxSmith.com. So remember, if you're having issues with an actual platform, you need to reach out to their contact link, okay? I can't help you fix something on Shopify. I can't help you fix something on Redbubble because I don't work for them. That's not my ministry, okay? I just wanted y'all to know that. So be clear. I can only help you with the videos that I show you on my YouTube channel and the products that I create. I can give you my advice and my opinion on how I use their website. But again, you don't have to take that advice either. But if you have enjoyed my personality, if you have enjoyed watching me, I say thank you. Super unfiltered, super real. I'm not going to coddle you. I'm not going to hold your hand. You either take what you need from these videos. If you don't like it, that's okay too. Leave and go to find someone else. I'm not upset about that, but some of y'all like to criticize me and then thank me in the same content. I don't work like that. But again, thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. I am now monetized, and if you guys want a video on how I did that, how I came back from the struggle, because I was once monetized, got demonetized, and now I'm back remonetized. That's a whole nother video. But if you guys would like that one, I can do that as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this series, 5 key tips for your journal business. I love you more than I love this video. Peace.